It is God. Now, this country, we did very funny. Because this particular video, now, no say una enjoy the video, una see the message of the video, una hear the message of the video too. But Naija, we leave the message. Leave waiting OmoBaba, they try, they explain, they talk. Yeah. Face the issue of saying use there is God though, turn to another thing. I don't know, because people they will abuse that whole there is God though. Person can't decide to use to turn out to positive thing now. You see one use and take finish the whole thing. I don't just understand what you really want for this country. I don't just get. Person do good, they want crucify you. You do bad, they want crucify you at the end of the day. But what be the inspiration behind these things? The recent happenings and everything. Yeah,
because when I watch national television, can't see what happen. Can't see say the reason why this woman cry. Now something we pain them.
Pain them, yes.
Because we don't look for these people. We never find them. You. Now only you come. Why you no look for the second person? Everything, and you know say the way you go take things different for the way woman go take am. He go get one level, he go push you. So as I see say this thing dey painful. Come enter, come they see so many. In fact, t-shirts go boom.
People,
you know,
customize cup.
And because say I be comedian, I know say first thing where people go on look, we say, oh, in one make jest.
Yes, one make jest.
They don't even wait. They just see the book. They see the topic. They don't know what's in the inside. They don't know the content. They just be like people where they read headline for newspaper. They don't go read them, go down.
Yes.
They don't know waiting.
Now so headline most times.
You don't even reach 24 hours. As it they hot, now I just enter studio. Me and one guy called Freak. We sit down. The Freak name now. Hidden name from a popular name because I'm a very popular artist too. So we just sit down and produce, we write the song, then we record. As we record them, as we put them out there, how come they get means? Some people say, make I come up for us. So
say they'll come find you.
Make I no walk up for road. In fact, the way they thought, they say, "Hey, my papa and my mama, they okay." Say then they come carry me. I say, "Abba, for this."
I can't say the different media houses they don't even agree.
They don't agree me rest. Some understand. Some say nah abuse. But I can't check at the end of the day. If you see person will abuse you, you no go rake the person.
Exactly now.
Why me and the person can't be friends?
At the end of the day. Because we even got on the picture say when you even follow Moga, Jonah, taking the even release before. So you not reach there. Now just say now we just carry things unnecessarily they do.
Now so will be for
we even get comedians self where they also even imitate Patient Jonathan. And her personal comedian.
And her personal person.
You understand? Now we just carry some things too much. Naija. But away from all that, I'm not too over stress on that issue. But still, your issue with musicians now. Your issue, can I say you now one of the comedians we not the ever stop to. I don't say they diss musicians. You only just point out the errors that we will get for instance many of our many songs that we will play this
where we just take care come out.
Just
and at the work of comedian be that now where is serious.
Yes.
We go bring the seriousness, we go bring the humor out of it.
Inside the whole
because our children they watch.
Exactly.
Because now so we say watch when
back then
all those songs where we they sing now, where we they took all those school. We lead to when they come.
That no be old school for us.
So waiting our own children want call old school.
Exactly.
If they no make sense small for this song. We no be say they no get danceable song now. We be say can I have a dance?
Yes.
Rosie. In fact inside the song sense there.
Sense inside.
Can I have a dance? Rosie, because na man.
Yes.
You know assume say na by force.
No be gradual.
Say you must come dance with me anyhow. You know tell and say funke, pakoromo, he beg him.
Yes.
You know tell and say if I dance.
you go dance.
For what? I did do so many people work. I did do doctor work.
Yes.
Because when people laugh, their stress they reduce.
Exactly.
I did do pastor work.
Yes.
Because I did tell people some things where them no even know. Where they say me I don't go do research because I won't talk about that.
On the spiritual
I did do government work to let people understand. Say if you get talent, if you manage yourself well, you no need to disturb government for job. If you create one for yourself. So you know, I did do so many. I did do teacher work. I go teach people say, hey, Limpopo no be dance, so Limpopo na place for South Africa.
Exactly.
Because all our children don't
Limpopo,
you know.
Oh, God, it's somewhere. It's a location.
So maybe we know.
Exactly.
Some people don't know, so I do so many people job. Musician are my friend. I feature. I get nice for my album. I get Sound Sultan for my album. Yes. I get GT Digital Man for my album. That Green before he died, we do single together. Me and Terry G. You know, all these people. I know them now. So no be war.
Exactly.
Not just chipping.
The truth just come
out from waiting.
For those of you now, just the truth. You understand? We don't go hide them. Comedians will tell the truth, even though we go add
if he had you small.
Yes, but we'll talk the truth. You can't blame us. We have to do it. You understand? Now, they don't already just go do mistake, go flash one of your pictures already. After 6 years, OmoBaba finally proposed to a girlfriend. Why it take you 6 years
to
reach this point? No, everybody get their own. Some people na 1 year, some people na 6 months.
What if say na primary school we meet? But which I will quickly talk about that because you know waiting me I like my person.
Yes.
Now OmoBaba na one seal.
Yes.
Me they leave the woman.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes. Yes.
The woman get a private life.
Yeah, okay.
The children go get their private life. If the pikin go say, Daddy, I want to be on television. You will come drag him.
At that stage.
You know, but I just believe saying at the right time, at the right thing.
Okay.
You know me say it's too late. They know the cash rate come out for that kind of thing.
No.
You have to be happy because if I know they happy inside, my brother forget that. I no go come outside, come the crack joke. Where you know?
Because happiness now be the cocoa. At least person go reach there.
And you know say this kind of thing no be about you alone. You and the person.
Not two people.
You go dey think wetin you want achieve for yourself first. Wetin I want achieve for myself first. I will go come join them together.
They can level.
Make we level.
Yes.
If I dey think about myself, my first born go don be 10.
Abi? Not true, sha.
So
when they think of our own self.
We go the
joint effort.
So we have to because things don't change. No be as it be before. Say mo fẹ́ ke me ati kajad wa bang you want me we dey like this bang. They will go tell the father bang you no care. The girl too don't get dream. Exactly. She said she be president.
Exactly.
So you go see
because sometimes this thing they even cut woman dream short.
Now
most people also don't jump inside.
They no go fit do wetin they want to. So you go need sit down say how you want them. Oh, you go to born, no be say you go just say I get belly. Nah. They go say
they map out everything.
We are ready
to
have a baby.
Exactly. When you don't reach that stage. That stage.
So I just do the right thing
at the right time.
And I just
easy bit. We go do them at the right time.
At the right time.
No be because anybody do them. No be because parents don't even shout for your ear.
No be by that too. No be by that because then they don't live their life.
Exactly.
And that time when they live, they get 4 children, they get 5 children, they get 7, then they get now.
Change
my brother, if you get money to feed 12, born 3.
Bam. Yeah, that wisdom.
Very deep.
Very deep.
You can't spread the money for the 3.
Just the so everybody go do all right.
All right.
Make them not wake up one day, they draw your ears and see your mates.
See your mate.
Exactly.
Now your mate the drive goes.
All right. Now before we go very soon come out inside the whole this thing. Or not your tie. Now be your weekly program we don't this one. Tell us about Or Not Your Time.
As I did now, this thing don't affect. Yeah, because I don't know time.
You don't know time already.
And na CSR, na comedy club.
Okay.
No be come pay money. Now waiting me I want do to help my people.
Okay.
Because people they stress. Now when you dey outside, you go know say things no easy.
Stressful.
For steering, you go see man. In wine up, they use AC. He go they abuse another person. Peeping.
And
nobody they hear what they talk. You go they shout for. He don't forget say don't wine up. Now the stress we see for work.
Exactly.
So that stress for work, if you carry drive, road no go dey peaceful. You can't reach house, wife suppose cook for you, you late 5 minutes, you gone scatter ground, neighbor don hear, pikin don hear, family no go dey happy, everything go come dey scatter.
So all the stress for even road says sun dey inside.
Yeah, because you never meet target for work.
Different wahala.
Instead of make you kill yourself, not die. After you don't finish that work. Not before student too. When student face your book, read, at that time you did. Now for person we don't work, come on relax. Say, okay, before I enter all this wahala for road, traffic self, they kill engine. Because if your engine they run for 3 hours, steady. 2 hours every day, steady. You don't knock engine, just relax for one place. Come laugh. Go make you laugh. Me, I did there, SK they did there, the one they did there. In fact, well, virtually all the comedians don't come there.
Exactly.
You know, don't come make people laugh. So now for that short period, we say from every Wednesday from 7 till about 10, come and laugh. Just relax. Let things go off your brain. So say you go plan for Thursday, Friday, you go day fruitful, then weekend you go spend time with your family or make you go for another comedy shows where they are around. So that is the idea. Now just for make people live long, because from my research I discovered say they don't give us age range where we supposed to die.
Now should be now
45, 40.
They don't reduce them now. Before now 60 something.
They don't reduce them. So an inspiration for me as my papa turned 78. I can't think how we go come they die young.
Exactly.
We must live long.
Not be just by prayer.
In our everyday activities where we they do.
Watch many things.
As we they chop, so people now as you see them, they chop out. Anything way is good. Now so it bad. If it's too much, sugar as is sweet rich. If it's too much, it will bad.
Yes.
Water as is good rich. If you take out too much, it bad. So everything get moderation. So can't laugh. No kill yourself. That's why we call them not your time.
Okay.
So now just they relax. Make you.
So, but where did they feel they catch you now?
Now for Rodizio, GRA, number 29, Isaac John.
Okay. All right, so we don't hear that particular one. I feel they jam them there every Wednesday. What time again?
Now from 7 to 10.
From 7 to 10. Okay, so now if you catch up about SLK and the rest of the comedians generally, God, they did there every Wednesday to make sure everybody just calm down.
And not stress
too much. And are free. Not free. I mean, just come there, buy your drink, you know, follow them involved. For
if you buy your drink, if you chop your food, that one no be problem, but you go pay.
For that one, no. But for the laughter and everything,
not free.
That one not free. You know, get is free, come in, do everything. If you don't get money, you join people that they sweep ground after the whole show. You go pick paper and everything.
You get extra uniform for waiter.
All right, so we'll just match this break. We'll come back. We'll spend like about 3 more minutes with OmoBaba. Then we'll come on inside the whole thing because we want to do small yes or no things. All right. So easy beats. We'll just come up for here now. When they come back, we'll not go anywhere. That's still the late night show. Okay, very, very wonderful message. You know, say this weekend now, the voting is onto the gubernatorial election and everything. So I beg, make everybody make sure say you go out, go vote, and your vote now you're right. I beg. I believe say that comedy skit also preach message give you. You laugh, but at the same time you get the message about voting. Okay, very, very important. And that one now from OmoBaba himself and every he's still there with us inside the studio, and of course he did here. So we'll go quickly do this one now. Before you go come up from inside the studio, just one or two questions quickly, a yes or no thing. Okay, so OmoBaba, we still get our yes or no things here. Just hold those two particular ones. Just get like 3 questions just to ask you, and then we could just say from there. So any of them, yes or no.
For the question.
For the question. For there, you just face the answer, face the camera. All right. So are we ready? Correct guy. It's sharp sometimes. It's sharp.
But don't be every time.
No be every time. Sometimes they go off key. Okay. First question. Shey you ever wish say you go marry woman way pretty pass you to correct your future? Bam! Say yes something. He said yes.
Yes. Capital one.
Because many people no say sometimes you have to correct some things.
Yes, so yourself.
Exactly, for your children's sake. Okay. We'll go for another one. Say you don't ever wish, say, you just find past like this before. Yes! Still on steam. Seriously. So God, she just arrange my face past like this for.
My brother, like say you did here. Those were the tribulations.
The years of the canker war. Yeah. Any which way. Now, one more. Say you don't ever wish say you feel change anything about yourself. No? Okay.
You know why?
Why?
Everything where God make, they beautifully and wonderfully made.
But some were fearfully made too.
Yeah, some they badly made as well, but they don't mention those ones.
They don't mention those ones.
So anywhere where I find myself, I believe saying I got purpose for my life at that moment. So for me to the change now woman efforts. If you know work, if you God time is the best.
Bam! Not hear him. Yes, so applause for OmoBaba. Yes, very, very wonderful message. Now giving it like that. And on top of that particular pin, now we round up the whole interview for today. He talk one thing very, very important. Say everything where God make, they beautiful. If you want to try to this form, say you want the art, they join, they do the whole thing. Now human effort, and you not go make brain at the end of the day. You know, in the call himself fine boy. And then another very important message. What do you call yourself? Now you go turn out to be. I know some of they feeling swag. Now see when you sit down across there, you know, jacket on point, swag on point, every too much making brain things.
Thank you.
Then one last word for me before we come up for Isaiah, because we don't come out.
I want to tell people say they try to make things work for themselves, but they look say they don't know anybody.
Yes.
So this word now I write for them so many years ago. I say, Shay, you think say you need Godfather by force? Make you yourself be a force from nowhere first. Godfather go force himself to associate with you by force.
Hey! Godfather go force himself to associate with you by force.
Because he knows say he gets something. You know the example. For your area, if you be king,
yes.
If the man need to do something, they go say, you know go fit do amo if you know talk to this person.
Exactly.
And I ain't hold this area.
Exactly.
So they will come meet you.
Hey!
So for your field, if you be bricklayer, if you be a carpenter, if you be a student, make sure say you sabi your thing well first.
Well, master your game.
So when you get the opportunity to showcase to the world,
you could just launch, come out.
People will don't they there go say, who be that boy?
Bam, bring her come. Ladies and gentlemen, on this note, if you don't hear anything for the whole interview today, for the whole show today, I hope you carry this last word from OmoBaba. If you hold this one for hand like this, success not go pass you by at all. So on top social media, that will take me to
at OmoBaba Comedian for Twitter.
Okay.
At OmoBaba Comedian for Instagram.
Okay.
And for Facebook now, OmoBaba Fine Boy.
Bam.
You go see me there.
All right, OmoBaba, thank you very much. Say you join us on top of the show.
You for
really appreciate you. We say God will carry you go up.
Amen.
At the same time, all of us go soon come chop rice very, very soon. For celebration things
very
and everything. So bless God. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, on top of this note like this, we'll carry out come up for the show. We hope you don't enjoy everything where we bring on give now today. Join us for Twitter at W Late Night Show. Reach there, give us comments and follow us too. Then from there, we're going to hear from all of you now. All right, from myself, Ogbolo, join me for Twitter too at Funny Ogbolo for there. At DJ Easy Beatles also for Twitter. Join me for that side. Good night from here, and then we'll go see Una next time. God bless all of Una, and then good night. All right, so Easy Beat, take it away. Even as we dance out the swaggy shots for.